place was really awesome. It looks like they had some antler reishi, some turkey tail, and some like tinctures. So some of them were wild harvested, and then some were grown on the island, so that's pretty awesome. Striped orange bracket. There's not much growing here so far, but it's been a crazy hike. Totally worth it though. Found a natural toothbrush in the jungle.
over here.
I know.
Then he fell.
All right, we're on our way back. Not looking forward to this bumpy hike home. This trail is super uneven and you gotta make sure you don't roll your ankle. Did it. We finally made it back to the beach on the Napali coast. Was that an easy hike for you, John? Is that easy?
Yeah,
Why'd the chicken cross the road? Dang, that might... Hey! Little nesting area. Yeah, it's nice and shaded after that really hot kayaking ride. Oh, look at that. Look at these. More of those white ones. Right next to the river. Look at those. It's almost like a little star on the top. And we got this large polypore. Some mycena. Really cool looking. It's a whole army of them. Look at these tiny clumped up mushrooms just in this cavern. Perfect environment. Wood ear. That's amazing. I've been wanting to find one of these for a long time. Look at that. It kind of looks like a bat's ear or something. But... Wow, that's awesome. Hawaiian jungle. First place. That's awesome. So we got the wood ear and then just found some of these orange mushrooms. Pretty cool. Lots of mushrooms here. Awesome.
But this is the ending side of that death march. But if you guys see what they're doing, we'll get you guys in the bow of our boat. With you guys doing not a backflip, that's fine. Getting you guys in the bow of our boat and jumping off. With this backdrop behind you guys. Our company's pretty known for that. Probably the only company that allows you to do this. So listen up to me. I'm gonna show you guys how to get up here.
Research it. So let them go, see what happens.